Sing for joy to the living God. Sometimes you can't even contain it, right? You just want to sing. It's bursting forth from your very being. Verse 3, the bird also has found a house, and the swallow a nest for herself, where she may lay her young. Now we have birds, even your altars, O Lord of hosts, my King and my God. He seemed to be saying, the birds have even settled around the temple. They've set up nests where they can be around God, the birds. Hey, let everything that hath breath praise the Lord, right? And there it is. Even the birds want to be around God.